In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived lists on Trello. Let's start right at the source. Open your browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. From the Trello homepage, head to your boards view so you can see all the boards you have access to. Choose the board where you want to practice or recover an archived list. I'll open a sample board here, but you can use any board where you have permission to make changes. On your board, pick a list you don't mind archiving for this demo. Hover over the list header, click the three dots to open the List's Actions menu, and choose Archive this list. Archiving removes the list from the board, but keeps it stored safely, along with its cards. As soon as you archive, look for the small banner that pops up along the bottom edge of Trello, offering an undo option. If you catch it in time, click Undo, and your list jumps straight back onto the board, quick and painless. Now let's simulate the common scenario where that banner is dismissed. I'll repeat the action. Open the list's three-dot menu again and click Archive this list. If you accidentally close the banner by clicking the little X or it disappears before you can react, don't worry, you can still bring the list back from your board's archive. To do that, go to the board menu. Click the three dots in the upper right area of the board to open more options, then choose Archived Items. This panel shows everything that's been archived from the board. At the top, switch to the List tab so you're viewing archived lists rather than cards. Find the list you want to bring back. Mine is called To Do in this example. You'll notice there's an option here to delete as well as restore. Delete is permanent and can't be undone, so only use it if you're absolutely certain you never need the list or its cards again. For our purpose, click Restore. Trello will return the list to your board, usually on the far right. If you want to tidy up, click the X to close the Archived Items panel, and you'll be back on your board view with the restored list in place. Let's reinforce that flow one more time so it sticks. Open the list's three-dot menu and choose Archive this list. If you need it back later, open the board's three-dot menu again, go to Archived Items, switch to Lists, and click Restore on the list you want. Close the panel with the X when you're done. That's the entire round trip. Archive when you want a cleaner board without losing work, and restore when you need that list back. A few quick notes to keep you confident. Archiving is reversible, deleting is not. Restoring brings the entire list and its cards back, and you can drag the list wherever you want on the board to get your workflow organized again. If your archive is crowded, use the search bar inside archived items to quickly find the right list by name. And if you archive a list by mistake, don't stress. Either use undo right away or use the archived items path we just covered. That's it. You've learned how to archive a list, catch the undo, and reliably restore an archived list from the board's archive whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.